Find the value of x if that of 2, 4, 5, 1 equal to that of 2 by 2 matrix is 2x, 4, 6x. So first calculate the determinant of left side and both sides separately and then simplify, then you will get x value. So do it. So what the determinant of this left hand side? 2 minus 20 equal to, so 2x into x is 2x square minus 6 4s are 24. Now it is minus 18 equal to 2x square minus 24. Then 2x square equal to minus 24, bring this side please, 24 minus 18. 2x square equal to got 6. Then x square equal to 3. X equal to plus or minus root 3. This is answer for the first bit. Same way we have the second question also. See, first calculate the dead value of the left hand side. 2 5s are 10 minus 12 equal to 5x minus 6x. Now it is minus 2 equal to minus x. Here minus minus get cancelled. Then x value equal to 2. In this question x value equal to plus or minus 1 by root 3. The second bit x value is 2. The last question in this exercise, 8th question, that is multiple choice question. If that of x to 18x equal to that of 6 to 18 6, then what's the value of x? In the options also given x value 6 plus or minus 6, minus 6 and 0. So these questions solve same like the previous question and we can decide which option is the correct answer. See first what the given data read on that. Given data of x to 18x equal to data of 16 18 6. Now simplify this one, x into x square minus 36 equal to 36 minus 36 means x square minus 36 equal to 0. Then x square equal to 36, x equal to plus or minus 6. So second option is the right answer for this question. Okay, after completion of first exercise, we are going to discuss about properties of determinants. So we already discussed what is the determinant. It's a number associated to a square matrix. And in this determinant, we have some properties. Let us discuss about those. The first one is the determinant of the value of the determinant cannot be changed even though if you are interchange rows and columns. Let me write that. What's the property? First property 1. Property 1. So what that the property 1 is? The value of the determinant. The value of the determinant remains unchanged. The value of the determinant remains unchanged if you interchange if its rows and columns are interchanged. This is the first property. The value of the determinant remains unchanged if its rows and columns are interchanged. So what the matrix, if you interchange the rows and columns, what the name of that matrix? That is the transpose of the matrix. That means determinant of a matrix is equal to determinant of its transpose also. That means shortly what we can write that is data of A equal to data of A transpose. That's it. Data of A equal to data of A transpose, and determinant of a matrix is equal to determinant of its transpose matrix also. Got it? So for that we will discuss by an example. See, I will explain it by an example for you. See here, take one example. Suppose take this matrix. First find the determinant value. Find the determinant value of 1 into its row column cancel 6 minus of minus 1. After that minus 2 into minus 2 its row column cancel 4 minus 0. Next plus 1 into 1 if you take this row column cancel 2 minus 0. 2 minus 0. Now simplify this 6 plus 1 it is 7 and 4 2s are minus 8 plus 2. Okay. So 7 plus 2 is 9 minus 6 you got the value as a 1. So generally I took one example for your understanding purpose. So I got this determinant value as a 1. Now I am going to interchange rows and columns. Let us verify that it is. So make the transpose of that matrix. What the first row? 1 to 1. Write it as a column 1 to 1. Second row 2 3 minus 1. 2 3 minus 1. Third row 0 1 2. Now find the determinant value. Now check out the determinant value of that 1 into this row column cancel reduce as 6 minus of minus 1 1. Next minus 2 into this row and column cancel 2 2s are 4 minus 1 plus this is 0 and anything will be 0, that's why I am not writing anything in the bracket. Now what happened is 6 plus 2 is a 7. Okay, 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6. That value how much? 1. I think you understood by this example. Okay, first matrix, first I calculate the determinant of value. Directly that K value I find here. And here what I calculated here? Here I am going to find that of A transpose value. So, but what you observed in this? What the determinant value here? There also you got the same value. So that is our first property. That's why the value of the determinant remains unchanged. Means nothing will be changed in the value. Okay. If rows and columns are interchanged, if rows and columns are interchanged, the value of the determinant cannot be changed. And for this we have some verification. So this is by an example explained here. Suppose theoretically how we can explain that, we will see here. See once. So how we can explain this theoretically. So for this we have a verification, that process we call it as a verification. Do that one. See, verification. So how to verify this? Let to take determinant delta as like this, delta equal to delta of A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Okay. Now expand this determinant, what we get? A1 into, so what the row column cancel you got B2 C3 minus B3 C2. B2 C3 minus B3 C2. Next minus A2 into what is the row and this column cancel you get B1 C3 minus B3 C1. B1 C3 minus B3 C1 plus A3 into what is row and column both get cancel, then these four elements we have B1 C2 minus B2 C1. B1 C2 minus B2 C1. Okay, let it keep like that. After that, interchange rows and columns. That was ready here. Interchange rows and columns. Interchange rows and columns. Let after interchanging rows and columns, take it as delta 1. Delta 1 is equal to delta of first one is what? A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, C1, C2, C3. Now I am going to find the determinant of this value. But here we have one logic in our determinant. What's that? How many ways we can find the determinant value? Any of the 6 ways along with the any rows along with any column, if you find the determinant value, it cannot be changed. So in this second way, I am going to expand this determinant by using the first column. For our convenience, I am going to find the determinant value using first column. Let us do it A1 into A1 where it lies, that row, that column cancel, you will get these two now. What are those two? B2C3 minus B3C2. B2C3 minus B3C2. Next, this is in the second row first column. So A21, second row first column is 2 plus 1 is 3. Minus 1 whole cube is negative. That's why it is minus A2 into. Where it go that row and column cancel now. B1C3 minus B3C1. B1C3 minus B3C1. Next plus last one is A3. A3 where it lies? Here, that row and that column if you cancel. Now these four elements we have B1C2 minus B2C1. B1C2 minus B2C1. Now observe these two values here. After expansion, observe these two values, both are same now. A1 into B2C3 minus B3C1, here also the same. Minus A2 into B1C3 minus B3C1, here also the same. Plus A3 into B1C2 minus B2C1, both getting same value. Then what we can conclude? Delta 1 is equal to delta 1. After interchanging also, the value of the determinant is same as the determinant of matrix A. Like this we can write in the verification. Next we can discuss property 2. Property 2. Second property we are going to discuss now. So that second property is what that? If any two rows or columns, any two rows or columns are interchanged, then sign of the determinant changes. Sign of the determinant changes. So if any two rows or two columns are interchanged, then the sign of the determinant changes. Sign means positive, negative. Suppose if we interchange any two rows, R1, R2, if we both interchange, suppose first A matrix, suppose its determinant value is 6. Just assume. Later, if you interchange R1 and R2, if you calculate the determinant value, you will get minus 6. Sign will be changed. We will check out by an example. See that. See here, take one determinant mark. So find its determinant value here. 1 into 4 minus 0 minus 1 into this row column cancel, minus 2 minus 0 plus 2 into minus 1 minus 6. Then it is 4 plus 2 minus 14. Okay. So it is minus 8. Minus 8. After that what you will do? Later in this, interchange any two rows or any two columns. Any two rows we can interchange as well as any columns we can interchange. Later check out what will be the value in the determinant. See, suppose if I interchange first row and first column. Minus 1, 2, 0, first row and first row, second row. First row, second row I am going to delete. I am going to interchange. Now find this value minus 1 into 2 minus 2. Next minus 2 into this row column cancel 2 minus 6 and plus 0 into everything is 0. No need to write. Simplify this. Minus 2 plus 2 So you observe the value is 8 only. Here also the value is 8. But what happened? Here it is the minus 8. Here you get as a plus 8. That's the meaning of property 2. So means if any two rows or two columns, are interchanged. If we interchange, then sign of the determinant changes. They are not mentioning about a number. Number cannot be changed. Sign of the determinant changes. Sign means if it is a positive, you get negative value. Suppose if it is negative, you get the positive value. Okay. Somehow total we have 6 properties are there. All we will discuss in the next class. Thank you very much.